If you're looking for a very simple meditation technique, observing your breath is a good one. If you're observing your breath, you're also becoming aware of the energy field inside your body. Very pleasant, very simple, peaceful. Sometimes thinking may come back in, and if that happens, you just return your attention to your breathing. And in daily life, when you want a moment of no thought, which is extremely important to get into the habit of cultivating the state of not thinking, when you don't actually need to think, so that when you do need to think, your thinking is actually more effective, more powerful, more intelligent, when you are connected with the deeper realm of not thinking, which is the unconditioned consciousness. So in daily life you cultivate as much as possible, just finding brief moments of no thought throughout your daily life. You could associate it with the breath, one conscious breath as I call it, which is you breathe in, you breathe out, and while you breathe in and out, just one in-breath, one out-breath, and while you do that, you're just very much aware of the air flowing into the body, the air flowing out of the body. One conscious breath means you're not thinking during that brief moment. And that's very significant. When you're not thinking without losing consciousness, in fact, being more alert than when you are thinking, that is finding a new dimension of consciousness within yourself.